What does the word bullier or bullying mean to us?
Talking over you. Being mean to you. Hurting you. Tripping you over. Repeated. Being horrible to you. Being physical. Targeting you. Pushing you over. People controlling you. Fear. Picking on you. Punching you. Being verbal. Pain. Mocking you. Having power over you. Slamming the door in your face. Making you unhappy. Making you unhappy. Unhappy.
How would you stop bullying?
Why are you being mean to me? I tell an adult. Tell my mommy. I will confront them. You can tell the teacher. Tell a trusted adult. Walk away and tell them who's fighting people. Tell them to stop. Standing up to them. Avoiding them. Tell someone. Get help. Ignore them. Ask their friend if they can help you stronger. Tell a teacher or a parent. Tell the principal. Make sure that you're not scared. Ask the bully's friends to try and stop him bullying you. Be kind.
Doe je na wat voor jou?